Welcome! Today we're learning about rhythmic activities. At the end of this lesson, you should know what rhythmic activities are, types of rhythmic activities, characteristics of rhythmic activities, and importance of rhythmic activities. So what is rhythmic activities? Rhythmic activities are activities that result from repetition of a particular action or process over time. Rhythmic activities can also be seen as activities made up of regular and repeated movement. Therefore, we describe activities as rhythmic because they follow a particular pattern. Another thing about rhythmic activities is that many people can practice them or do them in the same or similar manner, either at the same time or at different times. Rhythmic activities could be of various types, and there could be several examples. Some of the important types of rhythmic activities are marching. Marching is a very important type of rhythmic activities because it is as a result of repetition of a particular action. So marching is a rhythmic activity done with the regular and measured steps according to the given command. When marching, there's always a command on where to go. You are either given a command to go right or to go left. So it is a repeated action. This is the reason it is a rhythmic activity. There are various set of people in different professions who do some form of marching or the other at different occasions. There are soldiers. Soldiers march at different events. The swinging of their hands and the tapping of their feet, it's a repeated movement. It's a repeated what? Action. So when they do this, it is referred to as a rhythmic movement. Also, policemen also march. Even members of Boy Scouts march too. Members of Boys Brigade and even school pupils during occasions such as inter-sport competition do some form of marching too. Another type of rhythmic activities is galloping. Galloping is a rhythmic movement that involves moving forward with both feet off the ground and landing at the same time. Galloping can help to exercise our feet and muscles, test endurance, and train us to maintain balance. Just like the picture you're seeing now, look at it. The picture you're seeing, the horse is moving up, galloping with its four legs, moving up and landing down. It's a continuous movement, a repetition of a particular action. It is known to be rhythmic movement. Another type of rhythmic movement is hopping. Hopping is a rhythmic movement in which a person moves forward on one leg and foot, lifting the same leg and landing repeatedly. It is not only human beings that hops, animals do too. Just as you can see in the picture, animals also hop. Like the example in the picture you're seeing now, a kangaroo hopping with its two legs, jumping from one place to another, doing a repeated movement, which makes it a rhythmic movement because it results from repetition of a particular action. Another type of rhythmic activities is dancing. Dancing could be a rhythmic activity if the movement involved is repeated regularly. Examples of such dance are the acrobatic, acrobatic dance, as you can see. Another example is masquerade dance. It is a repeated dance, a repeated action. So it is a rhythmic movement. The last type of rhythmic activity is rhythmic working. Rhythmic working is done when steps are taken regularly following a particular pattern. Such working pattern is found in robots. It is rhythmic because the steps are uniform and regular. A person who imitates such is doing a rhythmic working. So if you imitate someone walking in a particular way repeatedly, you are doing a rhythmic work. You're doing a rhythmic working. So we're going to go to characteristics of rhythmic activities. We have various characteristics of rhythmic activities. Rhythmic activities follow a regular pattern. Rhythmic activities can be mastered or learned. Rhythmic activities could also be done by many people at the same time, in the same way. So let's take a look at the importance of rhythmic activities. Rhythmic activities are very important. Rhythmic activities help to develop our mental health and accuracy. When we continually do a repeated action, it helps to develop our mental health and accuracy. Rhythmic activity also helps to test our physical strength and endurance level. It helps to test our physical strength and endurance level. It shows how strong we are when we do a particular event continuously. It shows how strong, how physically fit we are. Almost all living things create one form of movement or the other. These repeated movements are one form of rhythmic activity or the other. Now we've come to the end of today's class. I hope you learned a lot from this class. Thanks for watching. Ensure to do your quiz and assignment. Love you.